Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to delete ringtones from Android so you can clean up your phone and manage your sound settings better. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it either on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Sound and Vibration option. Tap on it to proceed. This section is where all audio-related settings are stored, including volume, ringtone, notification sounds, and more. Step 3. From the menu that appears, find the Ringtones option and click on it to continue. This is the place where all your active and saved ringtones are listed. Step 4. Here, you'll see a list of all the ringtones currently available on your device. If you want to delete a specific ringtone, simply tap on the red minus icon next to the one you don't want and delete it. You can repeat the same process to delete other ringtones as well. Step 5. After you've deleted the ringtones you no longer need, you might want to set a new one. To do that, scroll through the list, choose a ringtone you like, and tap on it to select. The change will be automatically saved and your new ringtone will be set right away. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.